Here are 5 things I think you need to know if you're planning a trip to Belize for the first time. Okay, so if you've been following me for more than about 5 minutes, you're probably going to San Pedro, because y'all know I'm San Pedro's biggest fan, okay? Number 1, do I need a passport? Absolutely. Unless you're a Belizean citizen, you ain't getting in without one, okay? Number 2, how do people get around? So first, you got to get to the island, which means you got to figure out how you're getting from the airport to Ambergris Caye. Now, you got 2 options. You can take the boat, okay? It's about a 90-minute ride, around $30 a person, and it's pretty packed most of the time because it is a water taxi. It's public transportation. Or you can decide to fly. You can do My Island Air or Tropic Air, and prices fluctuate, but they do tend to be around $75 each way. Now, the flight is 15 minutes, but I'm not gonna lie to you, it's tight up in there, okay? The inside of that plane is like the size of a 16-passenger van, maybe even a 12-passenger van. So if you claustrophobic or if you kind of don't like flying, I suggest you get your hips on the water taxi, okay? Look how close the pilot was. I could have touched him. When you land, you need a way to get around. I highly suggest getting a golf cart, okay? The last time we were there, we used Rock's golf cart rentals. It costs about $40 a day. Prices typically range from $30 to $60 depending on the company, but Rock's was super easy. They picked us up. They even drove us to the airport before we left. Number 3, where do I stay? Okay, so there's no shortage of where to stay on the island, and they're adding to it all the time. There are boutique hotels, resorts, private villas. Trust me, you got options. But lately, I've been staying at Sunset Carib. I really like it, and this time we stayed in a loft room, and we enjoyed it. We liked the location. There was a swim-up bar, restaurant, gym, in-unit laundry, just everything we needed. We felt like it was there, so I do suggest checking them out. Plus, it's affordable. They tend to stay under $300 a night. Number 4, what's the vibe like? Belize, to me, is equal parts turn up and chill, so it's perfect for a group or for a vacation. It's a little something for everybody, and the vibes are always immaculate, I'm not gonna lie. Last but certainly not least, what about the food? This is the thing about Belize. It's influenced by Caribbean and Latin culture because of where it's located. So you can find some stewed chicken, curry chicken, red snapper, rice and beans, but you can also find some quesadillas, tamales, empanadas. It's really the best of both worlds. I ain't had a bad meal yet in Belize, okay? But we're gonna talk specifics in the next video, okay?